Imagine this, you register your business, you open up your shop. Few weeks into the business, government officials show up and then they come with the red sign. You are not allowed to continue this business. And then you might be wondering, I have my CAC certificate, I have registered this business. Why can the government still shut me down? Shocking, right? Don't worry, let me explain. Welcome back to Everyday Law with Joymark, still on our compliance roadmap for businesses. Today we'll be speaking on licenses and permits. This particular scenario is what happened to Chinedu, a young food entrepreneur who assumed that having registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, he was ready to supply food items to his customers nationwide. So on a pretty morning, something happened when officials from the National Agencies for Food and Drug Administration and Control, in short NAFDAC, appeared at his shop and said to him, you cannot operate without a NAFDAC approval and a local government permit. So this put Chinedu's dreams on hold. Despite being registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, he didn't have the license and the permit to supply food items. You should know that licenses and permits gives you the permission to operate legally. Without them, even registered businesses can be shut down. Some businesses require sector-specific approval. Examples of this type of businesses are: 1, food businesses, restaurants, packaged food companies, bakeries. They require and need the approval of NAFDAC and local government regulatory permits in order to function legally. Secondly, schools and educational institutions require the approval of the Ministry of Education and some local authority registration in order to function properly. Thirdly, health services and clinics require medical licenses and other regulatory approvals in order to function properly. We also have financial institutions and fintech companies that require approvals from the Central Bank of Nigeria and other regulatory bodies like SEC to function appropriately. The list goes on and on like that. So before opening the doors of your business, ensure you get licenses and permits and also all sector specific approvals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, ask your questions in the comment section. Follow me for more as we wrap up this compliance roadmap for businesses from the decks of Everyday Law with Joymark and your favorite lawyer. Bye-bye.